Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious barbecue burgers. In case you guys want to know how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay, so first we're going to begin by making our coleslaw. In a bowl we're going to mix 3 cups of green cabbage, 1 cup of purple cabbage, 1 cup of shredded carrots, and a small piece of onion. So we're just going to mix it. Okay, so we're going to add 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 teaspoons of milk, salt, and black pepper. And now we're just going to combine everything together. So just make sure that everything gets nice and coated. Okay, so once everything is nice and mixed, try it for salt and see if you want to add any more. For me, it's perfect. So now we're just going to place it in a refrigerator and allow it to chill meanwhile we do our burgers. Okay, so for my patties, I'm going to be using 2 pounds of tri-tip ground beef, and I'm just going to divide it into 4 even pieces. Okay, so now we're ready to season them. Now I'm just going to shape my meat into a big ball. Okay, so just like that. So do the same to all 4 pieces. Okay, so now we're just going to season our meat with salt and black pepper. Just make sure you do it to both sides. Okay, so now we're ready to begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by preheating the griddle. And once it's preheated, we're going to begin by cooking our bacon. Okay, and at the same time, we're going to place our meat in there. Okay, so press down your meat. Okay, and cook it to your liking. I'm going to cook 4 minutes on each side. Okay, so after 4 minutes, I'm going to flip my meat over. And just allow that side to cook for another 4 minutes. And I'm also going to flip my bacon over. I'm going to be cooking some raw onions as well. Okay, so after 4 minutes, I'm going to add a piece of cheese. Just going to allow it to melt. Then I'm just going to remove my burger from the griddle, along with the bacon, and we're going to give the burger a couple minutes to rest. So we're just going to continue cooking our onions. So after a few minutes, we're going to remove our onions. I'm just going to place them on top of my burger, and now we can get ready to make our delicious burger. Okay, while our meat is resting, we could get our buns ready. Okay, so once our buns are ready, now we can put our burger together. Alrighty guys, and now for the fun part, putting our burger together. So we're going to begin by grabbing our delicious coleslaw. Put it on the bottom of your bun, and you add as much as you want. Okay, so we're going to grab our patty, place it on top. Okay, so we're going to add our bacon. Okay, and top it with our barbecue sauce of choice. And now we're going to grab our bun, close our burger, and enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now of course you can serve it with french fries or chips, but I'm just going to enjoy it like that. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. So delicious. The coleslaw, the barbecue, the burger, it's the best. So good, so flavorful. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious barbecue burgers. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you record this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys at my next video. Bye.